Alright, so this is part two. This is where we were yesterday. Alright, so this is the spot that we would go to. It has hamburgers. If you look here on the menu, alright, so if you want to get American food, this is your best spot for it, right? Let me show you. Alright. That's what I had yesterday, right? So the cappuccino, the cheeseburger is somewhere here. The food menu. Hold on. Wrong spot. This one. Hey, what's up? I'm just looking. Yeah. So if you're looking for the burger, this is the one I had yesterday. If you want a Western style cheeseburger, there it is. And it's this place actually, La Gecko. You get a better view. So we sat right there at that window right there is where last night me and somebody sat at. And I'm gonna go up there, I'm gonna show you guys. And then we'll go over there and we'll skateboard. But yeah. This is the spot though. This part right here circles around and it goes around to a one-way street. So it goes around and you go down to a one-way street. And then you just got a bunch of bars, things like that. We're gonna go chill with the skateboarders here in a second. See if the dude's any good. So, okay, yeah. This is where I go to get the food at. So we'll go up here, we'll get a tiramisu. Let me get my helmet. So we're gonna get the tiramisu, and then we're going to get can't do a cappuccino because I've already had two. But we're gonna sit right there. That's our spot. So if you guys want to see Sapa, this would be considered the downtown part of it. That's like 3 years where I've went, so alright, one last look. Hey, that was a pretty good kickflip. I could probably out skateboard him if my ankle was back in good condition. I might go over there. That guy failed. Alright. I gotta get some food now. It's a tiramisu, so we're gonna get that tiramisu. Alright. Here, I'll just walk you up to the spot and show it to you. So. Hey, is my motorcycle okay there? Kali that there? No. I'm gonna go upstairs. Thanks, man. Alright, so I was just here yesterday. Hello, teacher. I was just here yesterday. Hello again. Hi. And let me show you. This is my favorite spot. So if you're gonna go to Sapa, go up this place here. You'll see why. And hopefully my seat is not taken. If my seat is taken, I'm gonna be sad. And it's not taken. Good. Hello. And there it is. It's how we met your mother. So our first day was at this there's a special meaning behind these two chairs though. Somebody will know who watches this. So anyways, Yeah, we were just here yesterday. This is where we look out. And you get to sit up here. Watch these dudes fail out skateboarding. 360 shove it. Let's see what he does. A kickflip, he landed it. Not bad, not bad. So, yeah, it's a cool little restaurant. So, there's a third floor, which there's the bathroom. And yeah, this is the only place that you can get, like seriously, you've been here for years and you want a Western cheeseburger, you gotta come up to Sapa. This Nakai doesn't have it, so. Hello. We're gonna order a tiramisu. A chill out on the cappuccino. So, hi. Yeah. Can I just get the tiramisu?
What tiramisu?
Yeah. It's good to see you again. Thank you. Alright, so I said I'd keep these videos short. So I'll keep it short. When the tiramisu comes, then we'll film again. So, one last reconnaissance of what it's like. So, it's a deal package. You come up to Laukai. This part of living is you get Sapa. Is it overrated? The touristy spots are. The countryside, no. That's why it's the first time I've ever shown you guys this. 'Cause it's just everything that we tried to escape. Right back. And what I mean by that is like luxury and comfort, you know? Be able to push yourself, live off of bon menu. To a certain someone who might be watching this video, I hope you're doing well. I think about a certain memory. Thank you. Come on. And this right here, my friends. Let's get with the Batman helmet. That is what we call state of the badass art. It's called beauty. It's called tiramisu, I think. And where you at? Where you at? Where you at? You know who I'm talking to. Where you at? This will be part 2, and then I'll show you guys the other spots. As you can see, John Connor signing out.